Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. I know it's like ridiculously loud in here, the dishwasher's on, the washing machine's on, but I'm just about to make our breakfast, having a steak breakfast, so I thought I would show you guys how I make it. Well, it's like just cooked steak, but I'll show you guys myself making it. Just wanted to show you guys this because I tried this at the fitness expo and they're kind of expensive. They're like $4.50 each. Wow, my camera sucks. Basically it's called Perky and it's like a probiotic drink. Tastes really yummy and it's kind of like what I've been having if I'm really craving an energy drink and I don't want to have one. So they have a mango flavor, which is my favorite, a lime one, and then I just got caught with the strawberry and watermelon one. But yeah, it's really delish. And it's got probiotics, so wow, I just hit the camera. That's cool. I'm just gonna drink this. And I've just got my laptop. I'm just going to continue chilling for the day, I should say. I just edited my Vlogmas. I did a whole bunch of housework. I'm just trying to take it really easy because I know I've been really stressed lately, so there's no point like overstressing myself. I've finished setting up my computer, so that's all ready. So I just did this, like, it's called Myers-Briggs or something, personality test because I'm bored. And I came up as a logistician. Is that how you would say that? Let me know what your personality type is. I'm gonna go and read about mine, but yeah, let me know. I don't know how I feel about it.